Here's I'll show you how to make typewriter effect. So this is my video background and this is my text clip, and then I'm just going to effects. In search effect, I'm typing here crop and adding this crop effect to my text clip. And then after selecting the text clip, I'm going to effect controls, and here under crop, here we can see the right option. So make sure to put your playhead at the 0 seconds and then enable toggle animation for right and give the value here 100%. And after that, move your playhead a few seconds and then just click on this reset parameter next to right. This will create another keyframe. And now if I play my timeline, as you can see, typewriter text effect created. And now if you want to add a typing sound, you can just go ahead and you can easily add a typewriting sound. And now let's play our video.